Yes. Hi. Today we are going to discuss work energy theorem. For constant force and variable forces. The first one is for constant force. Here we can observe the two cases. One is if we apply the constant force on this. So what is the work energy theorem? For this, let us take this one surface and take this is the ms. Initial velocity is u, and F force we are applying on this mass. Due to this applied force, mass comes into motion, acceleration produces in a object. After some time, it is displaced, assume as that displacement is s, and the final velocity is assumed as v. Now, according to kinematic equations, what we can write? Kinematic equations, we can write v square minus u square equals to 2as. Let us assume this is equation 1. You multiply equation 1 into 1 by 2 into m. Then what will happen? This one equation will modify as of mv square minus of mu square equals to 2 into as into of m. Now here what will happen? This is, you see here 2 gets cancelled. The remaining is write ma into s. According to Newton's second law, what we can write here? F we can write F into s. This is as it is, you write it mv square minus of mu square, which is equals to fs. But we know that, what we know that? Fs work done formula, what is the work done formula? W equals to Fs cos theta. Here this is displacing along this direction, here theta is 0 degrees. Here theta is 0 degrees because here force is acting along this direction, displacement also along this direction. The angle between them is 0 degrees. So here cos theta value is cos 0, which is equal to here 1. So work done W equals to Fs. So substitute in this equation work done. This we can write here of mv square minus of mu square, which is equal to, instead of Fs we can write work done W. What does it mean? Here change in kinetic energy, which is equal to work done by W, means work done by net force. Work done by net force acting on the object. This is the work energy theorem. Here, change in kinetic energy which is equal to work done by net force. Work done by net force acting on the object. This is called work energy theorem for constant force. Here, F is constant force we are applying.